This is Austin. I think it was like December 9th when I uploaded that first video of how to build a guitar in Fusion 360, and I haven't done anything since. So what the hell? Um, well, just after that video, my wife and I found out that we were pregnant. So as you can imagine, that has sucked up a lot of my time. There's a lot of things I need to do, a lot of things I need to learn, and in my case, some things I need to build. I'm building a dresser and a changing table, so that has taken up some of my CAD time as well as my garage time. And so my bandwidth right now for making these videos is pretty low, and I sincerely apologize for not getting part 2 up sooner. As soon as I'm done making this dresser, which I think will be in the next week or two, I'll immediately try to get that video out. So look forward to that. And everybody who subscribed to my channel in the meantime, man, I appreciate it. I did not anticipate my first video would get that much traffic. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next couple weeks. Until then.